When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal in Sugar Land, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing bay windows. These windows are not only visually stunning but also serve a variety of practical functions, making them a top choice for homeowners looking to add charm and sophistication to their homes. Here's how bay windows can elevate the appearance and functionality of your home. Boosting the aesthetic appeal of your home. Bay windows are a design feature that exudes elegance and grandeur. With their unique, outward projection from the wall, they create a beautiful, panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. In Sugar Land, where the landscape is often lush and green, bay windows can frame the outdoor scenery in a way that brings the beauty of nature into your living space. Whether you have a garden, a view of nearby parks, or simply a lovely neighborhood, a bay window turns ordinary vistas into something extraordinary. The architectural design of bay windows is another reason they stand out. They typically consist of 3 windows, one large central window flanked by 2 smaller angled windows, creating a bold statement. This structure not only enhances the visual depth of your home but also breaks up the monotony of flat walls, adding interest and complexity to your exterior. Bay windows often work well with various home styles, from traditional and Victorian to modern and contemporary, making them a versatile addition to any Sugar Land home. Increasing natural light and ventilation. One of the most appealing aspects of bay windows is the way they flood your home with natural light. The expansive glass panes allow sunlight to pour in, making your interior feel brighter and more inviting. In a city like Sugar Land, where the weather is typically sunny and warm, maximizing natural light is an excellent way to create a cheerful and vibrant atmosphere indoors. The added daylight can also help reduce your reliance on artificial lighting, making your home more energy efficient. In addition to light, bay windows can improve ventilation. The angled windows can be opened to create a cross breeze, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your home. This is especially beneficial in warmer months when the Texas heat calls for cooling down your living spaces. Having an easy way to let in cool air without sacrificing your view or privacy makes bay windows a functional as well as a stylish choice. Creating a sense of spaciousness. Bay windows can make a room feel larger and more open. The outward projection allows for more floor space and gives the illusion of a bigger room. This is particularly valuable in smaller or more confined spaces, where maximizing every square foot is essential. By extending the room beyond its original boundaries, a bay window can make even a modest living area feel more expansive and airy. In Sugar Land, where homes often feature open-concept layouts, bay windows can help define different areas within a space while maintaining an open, flowing feel. For example, a bay window in a living room can create a cozy reading nook or provide a perfect spot for a dining area, all while enhancing the overall flow of the space. Improving property value. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, bay windows can increase the value of your home. Homebuyers are often drawn to properties that offer unique, high-quality features, and bay windows are certainly in that category. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or simply want to make an investment that will pay off in the long term, bay windows are a wise choice. In Sugarland, where homes are highly sought after, features like bay windows can help your property stand out in a competitive market. Potential buyers will appreciate the added character, the extra natural light, and the increased sense of space that bay windows provide. This can translate into a higher asking price and a faster sale. Adding a touch of luxury, bay windows are often associated with luxury, and for good reason. They bring a level of refinement and class to any home. Their classic look can transform an ordinary home into one that feels elegant and high-end. Whether you opt for traditional wooden frames or sleek modern finishes, bay windows can be customized to fit your style and the architectural features of your Sugarland home. Incorporating bay windows into your home's design can give it a timeless, sophisticated feel, adding value and charm that will last for years. Conclusion: bay windows are an excellent way to enhance your home's curb appeal in Sugarland. They add beauty, light, ventilation, and value to your home, making them a perfect investment for homeowners looking to create a welcoming and stylish exterior. Whether you're planning to stay in your home long-term or are looking to sell in the future, bay windows are a feature that will not only make your home stand out but also improve the overall experience of living in it.